Understanding, depend on each other, a guide to interdependence. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase in English. Depend on each other. This phrase is a cornerstone of describing relationships and interactions not just between people, but also concepts, mechanisms, and more. Understanding this will not only enrich your vocabulary but also give you insight into the nature of interdependence in various contexts. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of meaning behind this powerful phrase. The phrase, depend on each other, refers to a situation or relationship where two or more entities rely on one another for support, sustenance, or to achieve a certain outcome. This reliance can be emotional, physical, financial, or logistical. It highlights a mutual need and a shared responsibility towards each other. For example, team members working on a project depend on each other to complete it successfully, or certain ecosystems where different species depend on each other for survival. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some real-life examples. Friendships and family. In close relationships, people depend on each other for emotional support, advice, and companionship. Workplaces. Colleagues depend on each other to complete projects, share workload, and achieve company goals. Ecosystems. In nature, plants and animals depend on each other for nutrients, pollination, and maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Understanding and acknowledging the ways we depend on each other can have profound implications. It fosters teamwork, empathy, and a sense of community. Recognizing interdependence encourages us to appreciate the contributions of others and understand our role in larger networks, whether it's in personal relationships, work environments, or ecological systems. While depending on each other can lead to positive outcomes, it also comes with its challenges, such as over-reliance or unbalanced dependencies. It's crucial to maintain a healthy balance where mutual support doesn't turn into one party being overburdened. Communication, setting clear expectations, and fostering independence where necessary can help mitigate these challenges. We hope this exploration of what it means to depend on each other has been enlightening. Understanding this concept is key to navigating various aspects of life effectively, from personal relationships to professional collaborations, and even understanding ecological systems. Remember, at the heart of this phrase is the idea of mutual support and shared goals, principles that can lead to stronger bonds and more successful outcomes. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.